Hawaii, still feeling the effects of Lala. Melissa Adon is on the Big Island, which rarely sees storms of this strength. And Melissa, I saw on your Instagram overnight, you were among the tens of thousands who lost power there.
Yes, Gio, it has been a powerful storm, and I want to show you that while Lala has weakened, it has faced so much flooding. Just check out the Wailuku River here. This is impressive. This is now just a raging river because intense rainfall that's fallen down from the mountain through Hilo is now pushing into this critical bridge. Well, law enforcement here on the Big Island say it is because of powerful water like that that swept away 2 homes. Overnight, Hurricane Lala lashing the Hawaiian Islands with fierce winds and torrential downpours. Swollen rivers surging, at least 1 person dead.
This is a very serious storm.
The governor declaring a state of emergency and deploying 180 National Guardsmen across the islands. Airports in Hilo and Kona shut down. Ports and schools closed.
Please, wherever you are, stay home, stay sheltered.
The hurricane knocking out power for more than 100,000 homes and businesses overnight. Nearly 70% of the Big Island is in the dark right now, and 1/3 of Maui County. Lala's eye wall brushed right up against the Big Island's southern tip, with wind gusts as high as 85 miles per hour, but not making landfall. Lala strengthening to a Category 1 hurricane. We are feeling those strong wind gusts across the Big Island. The Big Island receiving 3 feet of rain from this storm, half of that falling in just 24 hours. The heavy rain causing the Wailuku River to rage, billowing over some of its waterfalls in Hilo. The Rainbow Falls, normally a postcard, now unrecognizable. But for some, it's the ocean they're watching most closely this morning.
What I'm most worried about is the ocean coming into my house, breaking my house down and washing us out to the ocean.
Overnight, the storm moving past Hawaii's Big Island and now pushing westward toward the rest of the island chain. The islands that were spared Lala's worst winds could still see its worst flooding. Now, the threat of Lala is not over yet. We can still anticipate 4 to 8 inches of rain here on the Big Island, over on Maui. And of course, Lala is now going to be moving just south of the rest of the Hawaiian Islands. Rhiannon.
All right, stay safe out there, Melissa and crew. Let's head over to Samara Theodore. Let's get the latest on what Lala is going to do today. Hey, Samara.
Hey, good morning. All right, so you can see here that center of this storm, as Melissa was explaining, has passed just to the south of South Point, Big Island, and is now riding kind of parallel to the other islands. We're still seeing some rain whip into places like Naalehu along 11 into Volcano there, starting to lighten up, but they're still dealing with some serious flash flooding there. Flash flood warnings for that whole southern part just south of Pahoa. That's where we're seeing the flash flooding warnings. Hurricane warnings still in places. This is still a Cat 1 storm. What's going to happen next? This will continue its trajectory, pushing out to sea, but not before bringing a pretty good amount of rain to parts of the other islands like Maui and Oahu. Now, as we head through time, you can see things start to finally die down, but not before additional rain hits. Maui seeing 4 to 6+ inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. Meanwhile, Indianapolis, Indiana, here on the mainland, dealing with flooding as well. You can see this White River really just took out a whole road there. We've got level 3 out of 4 when it comes to a flood risk for parts of West Virginia today. We'll have more on that a little later. For now, Whit, back to you.
Yeah, a lot going on in the weather department, still not out of the woods yet. All right, Samara, thank you.